we have, what are the dates in between MTD, month till date? Just 1 month back for that. Okay, yeah, tell me.
Last month means 1st March 2021, right?
Yes, right.
Till date means 30th April
No, yes, 30th
2020.
April. No. Last month till date. Sorry. Last month till date means we need to, what is month till date? 1st April 2021 to today's date, 30th April 2021. Right. So the same time period we need to consider for last month, means 1st March 2021 till 30th March 2021. Okay. So see, suppose I have this. Okay, let me share my screen whole actually. 1 second. Suppose I have this calendar here. You can get it easily. See, this is my calendar. 2020 का है अभी. Okay, January, February, March, all months are there. So suppose I am here. 30 June or 15th of the June is my today's date. Suppose I want to calculate the YTD by considering this date, means 15 June 2020 ka I want to calculate the YTD of this date, of this year for this date. Okay, so the sales, from which date to which date I will consider the sales?
From 1st January till 15th June.
Okay,
20.
so in 1st January means from 1st January to 15th of June 2020. This will be my YTD. Okay. So see, here I will write the dates. Okay. My date, I can say date is what? 15th June 2020. So just understood the basic means basic concepts, you can means easily implement it. So YTD means from which date to which date I need to consider the sales. 1st January 2020 to 15th June 2020. Okay. Now I want to calculate last year YTD, last year till date for this date, 15 June 2020. So last year means I will go back 1 year back from my this YTD. This is my YTD. So I will go, they are saying that last year's they want, no, last year's till date. So this 2020, see, it's the same I will copy here, just understood how it is. Just go 1 year back. Okay, means what? See, this is your 2020 data and they are saying you to calculate last year's data, na? So instead of this 2020, you need to consider the same time period for the last year, 2019's time period. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. So this is LYTD for this date. So for MTD, how we can calculate MTD for this date? Can anybody tell me how we can calculate MTD for this 15 June 2020? Shubhangi, are you getting these points?
Yes, 1st June 2020 to 15 June 2020.
Yes, correct. 1st June 2020 to 2020 to 15 June 2020. Similar way, LMTD will be same MTD, but I will go 1 month back now. Last month's data they want, no. So I need to go 1 month back. Okay, understood this much? Ytd means suppose this is somewhere here 13th of May is your date. So in between that, from 1st January to 13th of May, how much sales was happening in January, February, March, April, and make a 13th tak. How much sales has happened or how much profit they have recovered. So that much of your YTD of sales. MTD means from 1st of May, means from the in that month only. MTD means month till date, means from the starting of that month, 1st May to 13th May, how much they have sold the product, means how much sales happened or how much profit they got. Okay, so that will be MTD. And last month till date means month I will go back, and it will be April. No? For May it will be April. And what is the date? 13th was the date. So 1st April to 13th April will be my last month till date. And last year till date means 1 year back I will go, and the same time frame will be there. 1st January to 13th May 2019. 1 year back for last year till date. So quarter, for the quarter, how will be it is? So this is 15 June, suppose. So quarter means when quarter will start. So see, January, February, March, this will be my first quarter. Okay, April, May, June will be my second quarter. So June 15th, my date here, I want to calculate QTD here for 15 June. So how it will be? Quarter starts at April, no? This is Q1. This is Q2. April, May, June is a Q2, quarter 2. So second quarter starts at 1st April. So 1st April 2020 to what is my this date, till date. Last quarter भी आ सकते हैं. Suppose हाँ, so I will take you to that. Otherwise it will be kind of mixture. Okay. So these are the definitions for YTD, LYTD, MTD, LMTD, and QTD. Agar last QTD they asked you for last QTD, then you can go for the last quarter. So this is first quarter, this is second quarter. So go to the first quarter and calculate from 1st to 15th of March. You need to go. So last quarter they are not asking too much time, but this LMTD they ask, LYTD they ask to calculate the growth अगर calculate करना है. So see, application will be like when this requires, when this YTD MTD requires. So applications of these things are like, if they want to calculate, or if you want to calculate growth of anything, growth in percentage, growth anything, means see, I want to see my profit in 2020. Today's date is 15th, means till date 15th of June. Okay, I want to see the growth, how much growth it is happening, how much growth these products have been achieved in the in the sales का growth अगर निकालना है, means in 2019 how much it is to how it changed to 2020. So how we can calculate? We need to calculate LYTD, means 2019 का मिलेगा हमें till date का, means 15 June 2019 तक का मिलेगा. ओके 2019 का टाइम फ्रेम का मिलेगा एक, LYTD का कैलकुलेट किया, एंड 2020 के लिए करंट ईयर के लिए YTD कैलकुलेट किया, एंड देन आई कैन फाइंड द ग्रोथ हियर. ग्रोथ मीन्स व्हाट? सपोज 2019 में मेरा सेल हुआ है $200. ओके $200 है, एंड in 2020 that sales got changed to something around $500. how much growth it is, how much growth I will get. तो $300 का ग्रोथ मिला है हमें, राइट? $300 इंक्रीज हुआ है, सो दिस इज माय ग्रोथ, $300 ग्रोथ. सो ग्रोथ इन परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट अगर करना है तो फाइनल वैल्यू माइनस इनिशियल वैल्यू डिवाइडेड बाय, ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय final minus initial upon initial value into 100. This will give you the growth value. Growth means 500 minus 200 divided by 200 into 100. अगर calculate किया तो we will get the growth from 2019 to 2. So to calculate the this $200, we need to calculate 2019's data ना, 2019 sale we need to calculate till date. टिल डेट का ही चाहिए, बिकॉज सी सपोज 2019 का मैंने होल ईयर का लिया एंड करंट डेट इज माय सपोज 15 जून एंड फॉर 2020 आई एम टेकिंग फॉर 1st January to 15th ओनली. इट इज नॉट, इट इज समथिंग कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी ना, ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. 2020 में इतना ही डेट का लिया और 2019 में होल ईयर का लिया, सो इट विल बी समथिंग गिव यू रॉन्ग वैल्यू. Okay, so that's why this LMTD, LYTD and YTD are very much important. So ऐसा करेंगे कि 2019 में भी 1st January to 15th June तक लेंगे और 2020 में भी 1st January to 15th June 2020 का लेंगे. तो we can compare it very easily कि इस मंथ तक इतना इतना था लास्ट ईयर में और दिस ईयर में फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस इस टाइम फ्रेम में इतना इतना है, तो हाउ मच इट इज मीन्स हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट हाउ मच डिफरेंस वी आर गेटिंग. ओके, so this is the formula for growth. Okay, now okay, ठीक है, let's move. Okay, so now I have this order date and yesterday whatever we have done some ठीक है, we can remove this. What is this date wala, we can remove. Okay, and this is my sales. So I have this much of data. 3rd January 2016 से मेरे पास 30th December 2019 का डेटा है और उसका सेल्स भी है मेरे पास. ओके, माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल टू एवरीवन?
Yes, Trupti.
Okay, so see, this is my dates and on which date I have how much sales. So suppose I consider some of the dates. See, this is now my old date है ना, today's date 2021 का डेटा तो अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो मैं today's date नहीं ले सकती हूँ अभी YTD कैलकुलेट करके. तो what I need to just consider one date as my reference date, like anchor date. उसको anchor date बोलते हैं कि I can say something like one date, any like we found from here as a 15th June. So kind of things we can consider some specific date from here as today's date or as a reference date, and on the basis of that we can calculate the YTD, MTD, QTD. Okay, so I will create one calculation field. See, calculated field I want YTD. See, I already have YTD flag. I can create it as YTD flag, suppose. Just want to show you the condition. So see, and okay, I have this anchor date. One anchor date I had created. See, anchor date means one reference date I have created. Make date करके 2019. See, make date का syntax क्या है? Make date, year, month and day. एक कौन सा भी date मैंने अभी create किया है. तो every time I don't need to hard code that date or hard code to take this specific date. I don't need that. I will just use this anchor date instead of the date field, or today's date. I will just use this field there. Okay. So make a date, make date use के okay ठीक है. Now Ytd flag, Ytd flag. I need to calculate 1 second. So see, this is my anchor date, means my reference date. Okay, and I want to create the Ytd flag, Ytd. I want to calculate the Ytd for this date. So Ytd means what? 1st of January. See, 1st of January to my anchor date, wherever it is. Okay, so I will compare, I will give condition first. And these are my all dates, order dates. Okay, this field is order dates, no, order date from the data. So order date, I need to check if order date is what it should be. It should be, see, order date should be less, order date should be less than my anchor date. Suppose my anchor date is 15 June here. So these all other dates, 14, 13, 12, this should be lesser than this date. Okay, should be less than or equal to anchor date. And also I need to check, sorry, and also what I need to check, I need to check that it should be greater than whatever order dates, these dates. See, I need to compare the sales in between these dates, no? So this date before the 15 June, 14, 13, 12. So this date ka data I need to calculate. I need to take sum of these dates. These dates ka data, so sales or profit, whatever it is. So I need to first check the condition on the basis of these dates. These dates should be in between 1st January to till date. So from this date should be, will be lesser, and from 1st Jan, these dates will be greater. So in short, what I need to calculate the time frame. Okay, order date should be greater than or equal to 1st Jan. So see, yesterday we saw some date operations, date functions here. So if we want 1st January of each and every year, so what we'll do, date trunc will use, will truncate, no? Will truncate date trunc. Date part will be year. We want to get 1st of January, no? So it will be year, comma, date. What is my date now? 1st of January of which date? It should be anchor date, right? Anchor date. This will be my condition. So see, I want the dates. See, Ytd means we are now right now calculating the time frame. So see here, suppose somewhere my anchor date. So I need all the dates from this date to 1st of January of that year. Okay, so see, if I click on OK and Ytd flag, if I true or false, true if I am calculating. So see, true in the sense, true are there only because we have applied filter. So it will calculate my anchor date. See, what is the anchor date? What anchor date we have given here? 2019-5-20. So see, 2019-5 means 2019-5-20. 20 May 2019 ka as an anchor date we have given, reference date. So it is calculating from 1st January to 2019 till 20 May 2019. Are you getting? This time frame we got, and what we can do after that, we'll just see. I will duplicate this field and I will calculate the sum of sales for this YTD sales. Suppose I'm calculating. So if I will apply this condition, this time frame, if order date is less than anchor date and order date is greater than date trunk year anchor date, then sum of sales. Else, what is outside? End. Okay, so this is right now giving me error as a field name YTD sales already exists. Okay, we can, okay, okay. Sales, and right now what cannot make aggregate and non-aggregate. So sum means it is aggregated function. I want, so I will use here that sum. Okay, so see if I try this. So this is my condition, this is my time frame, and for that time frame I am taking sum of sales. So this will be my YTD sales I will get, year till date sales. Means what it will do, this calculation, what will happen in this calculation, it will just sum all these sales. Okay, 14822082 and so and till this date 2998. Okay, so I will go some here YTD sales. Okay. So 196,662.2131 is my YTD sales which I got from this number. So if I want to check that if it is correct or not, just go to totals and show column grand total. I want to see grand total of whole this column. No, you can see the grand total means sum of all these numbers here come as a 196,662 and here it is also 196,662. You can change this format. You can format this number as well. Yes, aggregate YTD and format this as standard or custom. Custom में ये जो decimal places है कम करना है, लेकिन why it is not happening? Okay, in pain we need to do. See, 196/2 and prefix if I want to add as a, this is sales, so I will add it as a dollar. So see, you can see 196,662. Suppose I want header. See, these formattings are very much important. Means these are the formattings actually, text formats. So sheet may what I want to do, I want to change the font. I want to change the font to bigger than this, 15th bold. Okay. Now this is on text. So on text also I want what? YTD sales. YTD sale. And I want this bigger than this. Okay. Okay. So this is YTD cells. Same way, we need to calculate MTD cells. So MTD में क्या करेंगे अभी? See, for now I will not show you the flags. MTD में what we can do, just go to edit YTD and copy these fields. Just what we can change here, year to month change कर सकते हैं. So see what it will give. Same way, the same calculation you need to use. Just instead of year, you need to add here month. Okay, and you can calculate the MTD. Also, one more condition you can add it as a MTD means this should be year should be same. No, this anchor date year should be same as order date year. ऐसा भी use कर सकते हैं because month will not give you date confirmation whether it is today's date. Same order date. Here should be month. Sorry, month M should be small. Hmm. 36996. So how we can calculate? See, month का चाहिए ना अभी. We can add date field into the here. What is this one? This is something wrong. See, from this May 1 till 20th May का data we should get here. What it is? 36996. See, from 1st May to till date, I am getting the values, and grand total is also 36996. So you can understood MTD cells. MTD cells, whatever we are getting, MTD means what we are getting now, first of that month till today's date. Till today's date means till whatever date you have given here as anchor date or your reference date. Okay. Just I will just you can calculate now for QTD. Okay, I just pasted for MTD. Now how you can calculate for QTD? See, on the instead of month you need to use quarter there. Okay, just try this. See, first go and create like this sheet, order date and sales here. Okay, let me again duplicate this sheet for QTD. QTD flag. Just try at your end also. I'm just doing. I will just validate. UUA quarter. Apply. Okay. QTD flag. Go here. This formula is very much simple. You can just check the dates, means time frames we are calculating, and if that time frame means if that condition time frame wala condition is true, then return whatever. Means suppose going forward your client is asking you to calculate YTD on YTD on the basis of your profit, means profit का YTD निकालने को बोलते हैं. So you can use, instead of sales you can use profit there. Okay, CQTD means from where to where I am getting 20 May and quarter starts from 1st April. Okay, 1st April till 20th May I am getting the values. So QTD ka formula. Sum if order date on list anchor date and quarter. Same. QTD sales. QTD here I will calculate QTD. Let me know once you complete, because I will show you last MTD or last YTD how it will take. How we can calculate last YTD. done. Omkar, Bhagyashree, Bangi, Sonal, MTD, QTD, we can calculate on while dashboarding. Will do dashboards. No? That day also we will do this, but I will not go through the basic concept that time. Okay, so that time we can just use this formula and we'll just concentrate on different this objects and all, because in dashboards also you need very much practice to do. Okay, and how to add KPI cards of this QTD cells. We can use this as a KPI cards while dashboarding. If you have done, please let me know.
Riddhi, I wanted to know the anchor date. I just can't remember.
No, see, anchor date means something that you can put from the date from here. So see,
Yeah,
in your order date field, there are many dates, no? There are different dates.
means just like
Any
calling
date,
a function as a main date. Would that work for anchor date?
make date, and whatever any date you can take, 11th May, see,
Okay.
anything. Means kind of reference date we are taking it as a,
Yeah, yeah.
because see because your date function date, this data will not have today's date now, otherwise we can use today there. Okay, see this MTD cells I am using, so instead of this anchor date you can see there in data we have used today. But see, if now my calculation is correct, now I'm not getting any error. But see, today means what it will take? It will take 30 April 2021. But my order date is nothing, any order date I can't found in this data. 2021 का data ही नहीं है मेरे पास. So how I will get this today's date? And I will, so that I will not get this sales. So your sales will be null in that case. Okay, that's why instead of this today, what I have suggested, take a specific date here, or you can hard code it as also. Okay, hard code भी कर सकते हो like this, but instead of hard coding you can just take one field here, create one calculated field, make it as a date, and just use that field here. It will be better for you. Otherwise every time hard coding, it will be giving some every time errors, some formatting issues and all. Okay, just share your screen. I will just see, and let's do what you're doing or understood concept actually. Yes, Omkar, can you share your screen?
Yes, I've shared it.
You have shared? It's okay. I couldn't see your screen.
Okay, let me unshare and share it again.
Okay. LMTD, LYTD should be completed today, so that we can move forward for next these calculations, next calculated fields. What is remaining then user aggregate wala we can use easily. I will go to first logical, then aggregate, then user, then table calculation is very much important, and spatial is nothing actually. This is something that is, if you are, we can skip that as well. Table calculation is very much important. So table calculation need one lecture. Okay. So see, first see the data. Okay, go and pull the date order date. Yeah, pull that in your rows shelf. I will show you. Okay, just right click on that field there on the rows shelf. Right click on that field, rows shelf. Yeah, or that arrow. Go to more. Yes, below more. See, more is there. Year, quarter, month, day, then more. Yes, custom. Go to custom. Change here to month, day, year. Yeah, month, day, year. Okay, you got these dates. Pull the on the place of ABC. Pull profit there. Now we can calculate YTD profit. Pull profit there. Yes.
I have already created YTD cells.
Okay, you have created YTD cells. ठीक है, we can okay, ठीक है, then you can cells, pull the cells there. ABC में. Okay, so YTD cells, show your YTD cells. Edit, yeah. Some if order date less than anchor date. What is your anchor date? Means it is somewhere in 2014 का data है क्या आपके पास? Okay, see, show me.
I kept it as 2019.
Okay, ठीक है. You can keep it as 29th of May.
We don't have 2019 data, I guess. I need to change the anchor date.
Yeah. 2017 रखो. December 9, 2017.
So you just make it here 17.
17, हाँ. Okay. Now, flag ऐसा कुछ किया है क्या इधर?
क्या?
Flag जैसे, okay.
नहीं,
like,
flag नहीं.
Okay, ठीक है. Then create a new sheet and pull that your YTD cells वाला into the text. YTD cells into text. Text में pull करो. So this is something you are getting for your YTD. Means what is the date? 2nd of May, na? So 1st May 2017 to 2nd May. Sorry, 1st January 2017. 1st January 2017 to 2nd May 2017 का data is your sale is this much 164,174. Okay.
Yeah.
Now right click on it. If you want to format, then right click. Format. Fields. Go to fields. Yes, this one and select that. Yeah. In pane you can okay. Number is correct. No, your number you are getting correct. If you want to add, go to custom. No, custom in the sense second one, number custom. Okay, this and prefix you can add as a dollar. If you want to add, you can add it as a dollar, or this prefix also you can change on text also or label. Okay, ठीक है. Click outside. Now, A दिख रहा है आपको format के नीचे A. Click on that. Means text and font you will change.
Sorry, I didn't get your voice.
एक मिनट हाँ. ओके, ए पे क्लिक करो. फॉर्मेट के नीचे ए दिख रहा है अभी. एक्सिस के ऊपर ए. नहीं पर फील्ड्स के. यस, दिस इज मींस फॉन्ट चेंजेस. वी कैन डू डिफरेंट फॉन्ट चेंजेस. ओके, नाउ क्लिक ऑन वर्कशीट. ड्रॉप डाउन पे क्लिक करो फर्स्ट वाले एंड 9 को अभी ग्रेटर देन yeah, your font got changed. You can make it darker, bold, italic, underline, or you can change the font as well. The Tableau book is one font name, like we have in Word, Calibri, Times New Roman kind of things. The same in Tableau we have. Okay. So from here you can do different formattings.
Okay.
Okay, same way, you have created, this is for YTD, no? So if you want for QTD, just duplicate that YTD sales वाला जो field है आपका, just duplicate that calculation. Duplicate. Okay, right click on it and edit. Okay, now okay QTD करो उधर. Okay, MTD you want to calculate. Okay, MTD. So instead of month, you can
It should be a month, right?
yes, right. Now pull that field, create a next sheet, new sheet, and pull that into your sheet. MTD sales. Okay. Text में pull करो so that you will get that, or you can pull it in the इसमें भी rows में भी किया तो भी चलेगा. Okay, the same. You can copy the formatting from YTD sales to this QTD sales. YTD sheet है ना, YTD sales की, right click on that, copy formatting and go to MTD sales वाला sheet and paste formatting. Right click, copy formatting, go to MTD sales, right click there, paste formatting. Some of the formattings will got changed. Nothing got changed here.
No.
Okay,
by
your
mistake,
formatting got gone away.
Yeah, I calculated the formatting by mistake.
Okay. Okay, you cleared that. Okay, no problem. ठीक है. Let's start. Just okay, you can do this. I will go for last year's till date. Last year till date. Okay.
Should I stop my sharing?
Yes, or you can, but just go see my screen now. My screen is visible, no?
No. Yeah, it's visible. Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Edit YTD flag I will create first. LYTD, last year YTD, last year till date flag. So what I will do now, last year's data चाहिए अभी मुझे. Order date should be less than or equal to anchor date. This is correct. Okay, but this date trunk, date year, this anchor date should be okay. This anchor date also should be last year's date, right? So what I need to do, I will use here date add. Date part is my year, comma anchor date. So sorry, -1 करना है मुझे डेट से, this anchor date. Okay, means anchor date जो है अभी मेरे 20 मई 2019 है. So I will get now 1 year minus करके मिलेगा. So what I will get 20 मई 2019 के जगह 2018 मिलेगा. Okay, so this means whatever there is anchor date, I need to replace it as a last year's date, last year's anchor date only. That is one change we need to do in the whole calculation. Okay, and where is my, this is duplicate. I will duplicate this and I want now LYTD flag true. Okay, LYTD flag in color अगर I am okay true मिल रहा है LYTD. So see, I am getting 2018's data now. Are you getting? So last year's till date means whatever from January 1st. Now see, फॉर 2018 जनवरी 1 में कुछ नहीं है, मीन्स डेटा ही अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो इट विल टेक नेक्स्ट टू दैट. सो 2 जनवरी से लेके इट इज कैलकुलेटिंग, इट विल गेट सम ऑफ ऑल दिस सेल्स टिल 20 मई 2018 का. Because why this is so, why I am getting 2018, because this is last year till date data. This is last year till date, and my anchor date, which date I am referring, I am referring to 20 May 2019 में the anchor date है इधर. Okay, so I want to calculate last year till date, so I am getting 20 May 2018 तक का from 1st January or starting of that years 2018 till this 2018. Okay, so 153296 I should get here. So and there's the Ytd flag है ना, I will duplicate this only and I will create Ytd sales. Okay, so I will add here if I need to calculate if this condition is true. Okay, then sales and end and out. This sum के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, out bracket चाहिए. Can see here. So एंकर डेट को माइनस ईयर, एंकर डेट का जो ईयर है उसमें से हम -1 करेंगे 1 ईयर बैक, एंड फ्रॉम दिस टू 1 ईयर बैक करके, 1 ईयर बैक करके greater than that order date should be greater than 2018. So this time frame I am calculating now, and for that sales. Okay, last year till date. So where is it? Go here. Okay, so just format 1 second. And this should be this. Okay, so this is my last year LYTD. Similar way you can calculate for last month till date. So same way we have what MTD cells है हमारे पास. Just copy that, and instead of this anchor date, just use last month date. See, means how I will calculate this. Duplicate. I will duplicate this one and edit LMTD, last month till date. Order date I have. So this anchor date may date add. We'll do date add. Date add means suppose if you want to go after that date by 1 year, 1 month, 1 quarter, however it is. Date part means by what you want to go further or backward. So this is my last month, so I will go by 1 month back. 1 month back means I will use -1. Suppose I want to go 1 month beyond, means suppose my date is May की date है अभी, 1 month 1 month after means June I will get, but -1 means 1 month before means April का date मुझे मिलेगा इधर. So date add, same copy, anchor date should be here, replace it and just use this one. Okay, LMTD sales copy हो गया. Okay, ठीक है. see, this is 27637. Okay. MTD. Okay. So this is different different date calculations which are very much important: YTD, MTD, QTD, LYTD, LMTD. Okay, this we can use in the dashboards as well. These are some KPIs, suppose we can use while designing different dashboards. Okay.
Riddhi,
Yes.
while doing the LYTD and LMTD, we have given -1 just because we were going 1 year back, right?
Right.
That was the only reason.
Yes, right. That is the only reason. 1 year back we are going, so that's why we are using year -1 कर रहे हैं. अगर 1 month back we are going, then what we are doing there? Date add month -1 from the anchor date.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Nothing different reason. So these are this different table calculations. Table calculations, not date calculations. So tomorrow is no class. So I want to ask one thing: do you guys have time on this Sunday? In the afternoon or evening, whenever possible for you, for 1 or 2 hours, we can complete at least if you have time, because I can see I am very much, we can calculate now, we can complete till at least parameter we can complete. Parameter or this chart, either this one or parameter wala we can complete. If you have 1 hour, we can complete this parameter wala section, and if you have more than 1 hour, we can go for this advanced chart types. Because see, these advanced chart types are not completed in 1 hour actually. This will take at least 2 sessions. Okay. If you guys have time, please let me know.
We can continue even tomorrow and day after, if you think that is okay.
Tomorrow actually I am not available. Maybe tomorrow is my means personal work is there. So Sunday I will. So tomorrow, no, tomorrow I will not get time. Maybe it will
No
be
worries. Anytime on Sunday is fine for me.
okay.